In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to get and install Internet Explorer on Windows 10 or 11. Step 1 is to disable Edge integration. Open your Windows search and type in inetcpl.cpl. Click on the suggested icon for the Internet Properties. In the Internet Properties window, go to the Programs tab. Click on Manage Add-ons. In the left-hand menu, select Toolbars and Extensions. Look for IE2 Edge in the list of extensions, and if enabled, disable it to prevent Internet Explorer from opening with Microsoft Edge. Next, we need to modify registry settings. Open your Windows search and type regedit. Click on the suggested icon for Registry Editor. Navigate to HKey Local Machine, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Policies, EXT, and CLSID. Double-click on the entry on the right side with the value of 1. Change the value to 0 to disable the integration with Edge, and then click OK to save changes. Now, it's time to install Internet Explorer. Open File Explorer and navigate to C, Program Files, Internet Explorer. Locate the Internet Explorer application and right-click on it and select Create Shortcut. If using Windows 11, go to Send to and Desktop, Create Shortcut. Rename the shortcut to Internet Explorer and double-click on the shortcut to open the Internet Explorer. And that's it, you've successfully installed Internet Explorer on Windows 10 or 11. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.